Hi, this is Anna with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to move a layer in Adobe Illustrator into another layer that's kind of nested inside a bunch of layers, which can kind of, take a while. So let's get started. Okay, so I downloaded this image from vecteezy.com, and I do want to mention before we get started that I generally don't use my layers very often because I find it really time consuming to work in here. But the normal method that I see people using in the layers is to target a group or something in the layers panel and then take the selected art indicator and drag it to a different layer like this. So now this is on top. I just made it look really weird, but that is the process I see people using. Unfortunately, that method is pretty slow. So instead of doing it that way, I would just recommend cutting and pasting in front. Now let's say I want this grass to be in front of his foot. To easily select that, you can hit Command Y or Control Y. Use your group selection tool, which is under here, and then select it like this. Then I'll hit Command Y or Control Y to get back. Now you can see over here in your layers that it's selected, and it's the only thing selected. So I'm going to hit Command X, then I'll click on the topmost piece. I can click twice with my group selection tool to get that whole group, and then I'll paste in front, Command F or Control F. It puts it exactly in the same spot, except now it's in front of the paw. I can also paste behind. So let's say I want these little sprigs to be behind this other foliage. Now, assuming they're grouped, I can click once, click twice until I have that whole group, cut it, and then get behind this sprig and paste behind with Command B or Control B. And now those are going just behind those. Now, if you want to partially use the layers panel, you can select the item you want, cut it, then target the layer or the group you want to move it into and paste in front. I'm just going to undo that. And then finally, isolation mode offers another approach. I can double click on the bear, for example, and because it's a group, it'll isolate only the bear's layers. So we don't have to see all the other layers for the rest of the artwork. We could select the bear's toenails, for example. We could cut them, target the layer we want to paste behind, and then hit Command B or Control B to paste behind. And now those toenails are underneath that other layer. Honestly though, the longer you spend in the layers panel, the slower your workflow will be. It's more of a Photoshop thing. All right, I hope you liked this video. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.